There are already literally thousands of AI tools customized to endless use cases. ChatGPT barely scratches the surface. I've been doing a massive deep dive testing out hundreds of them, and I want to highlight the most powerful, the craziest, and the most useful. I want to start with a few that are just mind-blowing. Some are in the early stages, but they give you a glimpse of what's to come, so I'll cover those quickly just for fun. First one is NVIDIA Studio. The main function of NVIDIA Studio is to provide a set of powerful tools and drivers that help creators, such as artists, designers, and video editors, to achieve outstanding performance and reliability on their creative applications. It is designed to enhance the overall workflow and experience for content creators using NVIDIA graphics cards. NVIDIA Studio offers optimized drivers for various creative software, like Adobe Creative Cloud, Autodesk, Blender, and many others. These specialized drivers ensure that the applications run smoothly and efficiently, allowing creators to focus on their artistic work without worrying about technical issues. In simple terms, NVIDIA Studio makes it easier for creative professionals to use their NVIDIA graphics cards to create high-quality and visually stunning content by providing them with tailored drivers and tools optimized for their specific applications. Point 2 ND is GeForce.com. GeForce.com is the official website for NVIDIA's GeForce graphics cards, which are specialized hardware designed for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The website provides information about the latest GeForce products, drivers, gaming news, events, and resources for gamers and developers. It serves as a hub for all things related to NVIDIA's gaming-focused graphics cards. Point 3 RD is the Omniverse platform is a powerful and collaborative virtual environment developed by NVIDIA. It is designed to bring together creators, designers, and developers to work on various projects collaboratively in real time. The platform aims to revolutionize digital content creation, simulation, and visualization processes. Omniverse offers a suite of tools and services that enable users to create, simulate, and interact with complex 3D scenes and environments. It provides a shared workspace where multiple users can collaborate simultaneously, making it easier for teams to work together efficiently on projects that require extensive 3D graphics and simulations. One of the key features of Omniverse is its real-time rendering capabilities, allowing users to see immediate changes and updates as they work on their projects. Furthermore, Omniverse supports interoperability, meaning it can integrate with other software and industry-standard tools, making it a flexible and adaptable platform for diverse workflows. Omniverse is an innovative platform that promotes collaboration, real-time rendering, and 3D content creation, ultimately empowering creators to bring their ideas to life in a dynamic and interactive virtual environment. Point 4th is Versi.ai, the capabilities of a Versi.ai platform or tool that can transform text into virtual experiences. The platform allows users to bring words to life and create immersive virtual worlds using the power of generative AI. The provided text describes a generative AI platform that can transform written text into immersive virtual experiences, such as 3D environments, interactive simulations, and virtual stories. The platform empowers users to bring their ideas to life by simply writing words, as the generative AI technology generates virtual worlds based on the text input. This AI service is available to assist users in creating creative storytelling, game development, and other applications involving virtual worlds. In summary, the description suggests that this Versi.ai platform allows users to express their ideas through writing and then turns those words into immersive and interactive virtual experiences, making it a powerful tool for creative storytelling, game development, or other applications that involve virtual worlds. Point 5th is Imagen.an image text-to-image diffusion model is an advanced AI model that can generate images based on textual descriptions. It utilizes a diffusion model, a type of probabilistic model used in deep learning, to generate realistic and coherent images from given text input. The process involves conditioning the diffusion model on the textual description, allowing it to learn the relationship between the text and corresponding image features. By leveraging this learned knowledge, the model can generate images that match the given text descriptions. This type of AI technology has numerous applications, such as in creative content generation, virtual world creation, and aiding in design and visualization tasks. It enables users to express their ideas through text and then see those ideas materialize as images, expanding the possibilities for creative expression and content creation. 6th is Caber. Caber is an advanced AI generation engine that allows users to bring their dreams to life and tell stories like never before. The platform utilizes powerful artificial intelligence technology to generate content based on user input, enhancing storytelling and creative content creation in innovative ways. 7th is Runway Research. The next step is a forward-looking advancement in generative AI technology. It is a multimodal AI system capable of generating novel videos using different types of input, such as text, images, or video clips. This system represents a significant step forward in AI capabilities, as it can combine and interpret various forms of content to create entirely new video outputs. By using text descriptions, images, or video clips as input, the next step can generate unique and creative videos, opening up new possibilities for content creation and storytelling. The multimodal aspect of this AI system enables it to understand and utilize information from multiple sources, leading to more diverse and compelling video outputs. This advancement has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including entertainment, marketing, and creative content generation, by providing a powerful tool for generating engaging and visually rich videos. 8th is Rewind AI. The main function of Rewind AI is to find and retrieve anything you have seen, said, or heard. It utilizes advanced artificial intelligence and data processing techniques to analyze and interpret visual, auditory, and textual information. With Rewind AI, users can search for specific content or moments from their past experiences, such as images, videos, audio clips, or text, and the AI system can locate and present that information. The platform's ability to index and search through vast amounts of data makes it a valuable tool for recalling and accessing information from various sources, facilitating better memory recall and enabling users to easily find specific content or events from their past. 9th is PyMi's Face Search Engine. PyMi serves as a facial recognition search engine. Users can upload a photo of a person's face, and the AI-powered system will conduct a search to find other instances of that face across the internet. Reverse image search. In addition to facial recognition, PyMi offers a reverse image search feature. Users can upload any image, not just faces, and the system will search for other occurrences of that image online, upload photo and find out where images are published. With PyMi, users can upload a photo, whether it's a portrait or any other image, and discover where that specific image has been published or used on the internet. These functions make PyMi a valuable tool for individuals seeking to track their online presence, find unauthorized image usage, or identify the sources of published images. 10th is DID AI is an AI-powered platform known as the Digital People Platform. It offers the capability to create and interact with talking avatars using generative AI. Users can utilize DID's API, Application Programming Interface, or their Creative Reality Studio to access these functionalities. The platform's generative AI technology enables the creation of virtual talking avatars that can mimic human speech and interactions. With DID AI, users can integrate these avatars into their applications, websites, or projects through the provided API. Additionally, the Creative Reality Studio likely offers a user-friendly environment for designing and customizing these talking avatars. Overall, DID-AI opens up exciting possibilities for creating interactive virtual characters that can communicate with users, offering opportunities for enhanced user experiences and creative storytelling. Point 11th is Runway. Runway AI is an AI-powered platform that enables users to access and utilize various creative AI tools and models. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easier for individuals to work with complex AI technologies without extensive programming knowledge. The platform provides access to a wide range of AI models, including those for image generation, style transfer, text-to-image conversion, and more. By leveraging Runway AI, users can experiment with AI-driven creative projects, generate artwork, and explore the potential of artificial intelligence in the creative domain. Point 12th is Luma.ai. Luma AI is an advanced technology that utilizes artificial intelligence to generate images and videos in 3D. With its sophisticated AI algorithms, Luma AI can take 2D images or videos as input and transform them into stunning 3D representations. The process involves Luma AI's AI models analyzing the content of the input images or videos, understanding the depth and spatial information, and then reconstructing the scene in a three-dimensional space. This 3D conversion capability brings a new level of depth and realism to the visual content, creating immersive and captivating experiences for viewers. Overall, Luma AI's 3D image and video generation capabilities push the boundaries of visual content creation, offering a powerful tool to bring 2D media into the dynamic and immersive realm of 3D, unlocking new possibilities for creativity and storytelling. Point 13th is Notion AI. Notion AI is a feature or integration that brings the power of artificial intelligence directly into the Notion platform. By accessing Notion AI, users can unlock a multitude of AI-driven capabilities to enhance their productivity and creativity within the Notion workspace. The AI-powered tools offered by Notion AI can help users work more efficiently, improve their writing, and expand their thinking. With the integration of AI, users can automate repetitive tasks, generate smart suggestions, and gain valuable insights from their data and content. The introduction of Notion AI aims to streamline workflows, boost writing quality, and encourage users to think beyond their usual boundaries. By incorporating AI directly into Notion, users can tap into the limitless potential of artificial intelligence, making the platform even more versatile and empowering for a wide range of tasks and projects. Point 14th is Whist. Whist appears to be a technology or concept that allows users to step inside their memories by capturing videos. Based on the description, Whist offers a unique and immersive experience that enables users to relive their past moments simply by recording videos. The process likely involves using video footage to trigger augmented reality (AR) or virtual reality (VR) experiences, where users can immerse themselves in their recorded memories and feel as if they are physically present in those moments once again. Why combining video capture with advanced technologies like AR and VR, Whist offers a novel way to preserve and revisit cherished memories, creating a more interactive and emotionally engaging experience for users. It opens up new possibilities for storytelling and personal recollection, allowing individuals to step back in time and relive the most meaningful moments of their lives.